She turned $25 into $139,250 in a matter of days. She was using something called TikTok Shop Affiliate. And in this video, we're going to talk about what TikTok Shop is exactly, the video that she did, the product that she sold, as well as how much profit she made from this. Now, if you're new to the channel, hi, my name is Victor. I help beginner TikTok Shop affiliate creators make their first dollar online like I did. I do this by covering success case studies like this and breaking them down into easy to follow simple steps that you can go ahead and try out for yourself. If that sounds good to you, be sure to drop a big like, and if you watch all the way up until the end and if you want to see more from me, be sure to subscribe. Of what TikTok Shop Affiliate is, quite simply, it's people that create short videos like you do now on TikTok, except you talk about products that are being sold on TikTok Shop. What you do then is put a link in your video that links to that product, and you get paid when someone buys that product using the link in your video. It's that simple. And if you're asking yourself, well, who would buy anything ever at all on TikTok? This is one example. This creator has made $139,250 in revenue with a 59-second video that she created, and she is not the only one. There is a ton of other creators that are making similar types of videos and raking in a ton of money across different categories and different products as well. Now, in terms of exactly what types of videos these people are doing and what they are saying, if we go into the creators page here, I'm just going to click on the video just to give you a rough idea. But she would have originally created a video talking about this product, and then someone placed a positive comment within that video, and she is now replying to that comment. The reply is 59 seconds long. She's basically put a link of that product. As you can see here, she's got a buy here and sticker on the screen pointing to where the product is that she's got linked in the video. Crazy thing about TikTok Shop is not only do you get paid for products that are purchased on your main video, but if someone replies to that video with a positive comment or with a question, you can actually do a video reply, and you can place another product link in that video reply and get paid separately from that as well. If you get 10 questions on your video, you can do 10 comment replies using videos, and you can place 10 links on those videos and get paid for each separate video. The creator is promoting a 3-piece bodysuit. We've got here a sales analysis tab. We've got relevant videos, so you can see what other creators are promoting this product. Relevant influencers. We can see customer reviews as well, so you can see how people that have purchased the product are finding it. Are they satisfied? Is it getting a lot of 5-star reviews, or is it getting a lot of poor reviews before you even decide that you want to promote the product? So what you want to do is aim for high demand. Again, this is already ranking these products based on how much demand there is, so you know that the top products here have high demand over last week, over yesterday, or over the last month. Also, you want to find products that are affordable, so products that appeal to a wider market in terms of price. As you can see, the trend with the top products here, the top 5 products, is that the price point is relatively affordable, even for the normal everyday person. This ashwagandha vitamin D gummies there, $13.26. You've got the deodorizer scented household thing there, $6.40. You've got these women undergarment accessories, $30. You've got this gut and colon support, $14, and you've got this power bank for $21. So you want to find something that, yes, can earn you a lot of commission, but is also within a relatively decent price point for the end users. Now, the other thing as well you want to aim for is something that has got a high product rating. We've already spoken about that here. If you click on the actual product from here, you'll get taken to the product detail page, and you can look at the customer reviews tab to see how well people are rating the product. You can also see it on the top here, what the average rating is for that product. As you can see here, it's got a 4.6 rating out of 5, and considering that out of 5 stars, and considering that it's got 330,000 units that have been sold while this product has been out, that many people rating it 4.6 out of 5 stars on average. That is pretty good. That's pretty good for the products that you select. So you want to just look for positive signs like that. And the other thing you want to look out for as well is, of course, high commission. If we go back onto the main page here, you can see on the commissions tab how much commission each product offers. 20% tends to be pretty good. 10%, 15%. Anything with double figures tends to be pretty decent. You do get your 1%ers as well, but the only way you can justify that is if the unit price is quite high. So even if you get 1%, you still get a pretty decent payout. But usually if the price point of the product is in double figures and the commission percentage is in double figures and the demand is high and the store rating is high and the product rating is high, you're generally heading in the right direction in terms of choosing the correct product that you are going to promote. Now, firstly, how much commission was she getting for every sale? So she's getting 25% commission for every single sale of this product. So we know that the price that it's selling for is $25.15. So that simply means that, for example, if you were selling something for $10, you'd be getting $2.50 commission out of that. If you're selling something for $20, you'd be getting £5 commission every time someone buys. In this case, it was $25.15, so that means she got 25% of that. Now, the crazy thing is she sold, if we go back onto her video detail page here, she sold 6,724 units of this 3 pieces of bodysuit product from her video, which got 19.2 million views here, which is absolutely crazy. In total, that generated $139,250 in sales. In order to work out how much her take-home profit was exactly, it is 25% of the revenue that she made. If you bring up your calculator, that will work out to $34,812 that she would have generated out of this transaction. As you can see here, if we take $139,250, my calculator is very slow for some reason, so it's $139,250, and we multiply that by 25%. There we go, $34,812.50 in commission from a 59-second video that she created as a comment reply. Now, as you can see, there is the opportunity with TikTok Shop Affiliate is absolutely crazy at the moment. When you've got creators that are making videos that are less than even a minute and generating what some people make in a year in a working salary, working in a 9-to-5 job. Now, we've talked about TikTok Shop here briefly in terms of what it is exactly, but there is a couple of other things that if you are serious about getting started as a TikTok Shop affiliate, that you would need to understand. Now, in the video that you can see on the screen, I've delved in deeper into what TikTok Shop Affiliate is, how it works, and some more case studies of people that are making money having similar results as well. I'll see you in there.